Random Lists is all about lists Waypoint Overland has created on an array of topics, such as top 5 national parks, top 10 trails in the United States, top 10 fill in the blank. I think you get it. Some lists will be pure fun, and others very informational. But they all will have a connection to overlanding in some way. We're very interested in hearing your suggestions for upcoming lists in the comments. Now, here's our random list.
My list this week is my top 5 items that are not necessary, but I never leave home without during my overland travel. Number 1, I have the buddy heater. Now this is something I take with me no matter what time of year it is, no matter what the weather. I turn it on for a few minutes to warm up in the tent, and in the morning I use it to heat up my shower pouch. I'm willing to go just about anywhere as long as I have my buddy heater. Number 2 is the portable urinal bottle. Now these are so indispensable to me that I keep 3 of them in my rig. One is for my rooftop tent. It saves me from getting dressed and going outside in bad weather. As I'm traveling on back roads across the country, there's been many times I've been unexpectedly stopped by road construction in very remote places. Those stops, now they can be 15 minutes or they can be as long as an hour with nowhere you can go to get some privacy. At number 3, I have the shower pouch. Since shower pouches were first introduced, I've been using them. It's a great solution for hygiene when it's cold outside or you don't want to use up the water that you have. They help me to extend my time off grid and I feel better after using them. Number 4, I have the Snow Peak Fire Tool Set. This set makes a campfire easier to maintain and I use it every time I'm at a campfire, even if it's my campfire or not. At number 5, I have Netflix. Before starting a journey, I always download a bunch of movies and TV shows from Netflix. It provides me entertainment when the weather is bad, I'm bored, or in my tent at night. Well, that's my list. Do you agree or disagree? Do you have your own list? Well, share in the comments.